What's going on, guys? Today we got another video, back at it again. This time we're gonna be installing some window fenders or window visors on my 2006 Acura RSX. I will leave a link to the ones I bought in the description. They were only like 30 bucks. Ooh, so clean. So first we gotta actually clean the fucking spot where the visors are actually going to be attached to, because if you look right now, if you can see closely, it's hella dirty. So we gotta fix that. All the tools you're gonna need, hold on guys, I need to fix this. Okay, so all the tools you're gonna need: some paper towels, isopropyl alcohol, and something to clean your car with other than alcohol. Let's go. Okay, so first we're gonna actually spray the car down with some water and some soap. I just have it in a spray bottle and some paper towels folded, if this will work. Okay, we're just gonna spray it on, wipe it down. See, this is why you actually wipe down your car before installing shit, bro. Holy hell. Guys, I think I should have cleaned it more or got more paper towels. Make sure I clean it down. Okay, so now that it's a bit cleaner, if you guys can tell, those marks, I don't think you guys can get off, so for now we're just gonna leave it and move on to the next step. Okay, next step is to actually like disinfect the surface. So we're using some alcohol just to make sure that the visors actually stick to it as strong as possible. So we're just gonna fold it, open this up, get some on there, close it. Guys, even with the freaking alcohol wipes, it's still super dirty. Like, jeez. That's why you gotta make sure it's super damn clean. Okay, now that we are actually done cleaning the freaking piece where the visors go, we're actually just gonna start taking them. I just dropped it, hold on. We're actually gonna take them out of the packaging. It should be coming with a strip of 3M tape or some type of double-sided tape already. Guys, look how shiny that looks. Let's go. Okay, back to actually installing this. Next step is to actually make sure this fits and make sure there's nothing wrong with it, make sure it's clean. So usually you usually won't have anything right here at the end, at the front where the mirror is, but I've seen a couple videos where there's a little notch, so you have to like unscrew a couple bolts on the inside and then pop this out so you can stick it in. I'll leave a link to that video that I saw in the description as well, but right now you just want to line this up and make sure everything fits. That seems good to me, so let's move on. Okay, so the trick is you want to peel from the mirror, the front side first. So let's do that. And this is like super sticky. I've never actually tried like or touched 3M tape and felt how sticky it was till now. Okay, almost got it. Got it. Alright, so trick is you want to pull it out like this and then just leave a little bit so you can just get the front started. So you want to be very careful. Try to get it on first try. Okay, got the front, so then you want to just start pulling the tab down and sticking the rest. And boom! Super easy, quick visor install. Just simple. You want to let it dry for a little bit, press it down, make sure it's hard. Super clean, super nice.